Is this blinking? Hang on a second.
Yeah, wait. He had to get his thing.
Is this blinking?
Okay, stop. He's off.
You need to be careful.
Is this blinking?
Hey, freeze count is 2.
Blink
You
and
want to
red.
do freeze count as 2?
Yes.
Sure.
Freeze
Okay,
count.
freeze count as 2. That doesn't mean shoot out.
Check.
Okay,
Hey, look at there.
sorry guys. I'm
Take 1.
Okay, take 1. Squirt past the back for you. Heads no pain.
Hey, Blaine, you could probably get one,
Yeah, this is easy.
and then Josh should get
No,
Trent.
because Trenton,
You have shoes on though.
yeah.
And he's
Go.
Oh boy.
Okay, this is not good.
I want you to on the offense, on defense, break down to Blaine, okay?
I got 2 people. I got 2 like this.
No, I don't mean switch. Trenton still takes Blaine.
Oh.
Yeah, you would.
Yikes.
Rebound.
Hey, you missed it. Keep your pants up, man. We can't be seeing this. Get on him.
Blink.
Oh.
How did I miss that? Keep your man.
No.
None of the shots will go in.
Is this thing on? Is it on?
It is.
No, look. I'll turn it on. It is on. Cut it out.
Only when Blaine goes down low. I want you to double up on Blaine.
I think I'm getting sick. Don't worry about it.
Wait, did we switch or no?
Hold those pants up, man.
That's all.
Oh!
My bad, guys.
Hey,
I'm
wait, boy,
making
put it
a
out, thought he was.
That's because you don't have your shoes on.
That's
That's
why.
the helmet. It's all the helmet cam. It's all in the helmet cam.
The helmet cam is it, baby.
Swish.
Don't worry about it, man.
That's no problem. Josh let Trenton score like 40 points last game.